Hello, friends! Nice to see you again. Welcome to Momo's Happy Kitchen. Let's have fun and start our easy cooking journey together. Today we are going to make dense pumpkin and white tofu porridge. The pumpkin exudes a rich aroma. After cooking, the natural sweetness of the pumpkin is fully released in the porridge. This porridge is simple to make and is suitable for most people. Hurry up and save the recipes and click to follow my channel, because you will receive the simple recipe videos I upload every day for free if you are willing. Please feel free to give me a like to give me the greatest support and encouragement. Thank you all for your support. Pumpkin is nutrients and antioxidants may boost your immune system, protect your eyesight, lower your risk of certain cancers, and promote heart and skin health. Ingredients are rice, carrot, ginger, and white tofu. Wash rice and set aside. Carrot, peel off skin and cubes. Sliced ginger. Peel the pumpkin. Cut half of the pumpkin into thin slices and cut the other half into cubes. The sliced pumpkin will melt into the porridge after cooking, and the orange color of the porridge will be beautiful. You can eat some pumpkin meat by dicing the pumpkin. Rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, pumpkin is incredibly healthy. What's more, its low-calorie content makes it a weight loss-friendly food. Pumpkin is a starchy vegetable, providing carbohydrate and the energy needed to fuel our body, as pumpkin is also rich in fiber. It keeps you feeling full for longer and reduces your urge to snack between meals. Pour all ingredients into rice pot. White tofu to set aside. Pour water. Start cooking porridge. The porridge is cooked. So beautiful and texture is creamy. Pour in the white tofu and mash it with ladle. savory creamy pumpkin white tofu is done. Pumpkin porridge is healthy. Pumpkin is high in vitamins and minerals while being low in calories. It's also a great source of beta-carotene, a carotenoid that your body converts into vitamin A. When cooking porridge, the normal ratio of rice to water is recommended to be 1:8, which is the ratio of 1 cup of rice to 8 cups of water. The porridge cooked at this ratio has just the right texture, not sticky or thin. So when cooking porridge, just put water and rice in this ratio. If you want to cook it thinner, you can use a ratio of rice to water of 1:10. The porridge cooked in this ratio will be relatively thin, which is more suitable for people who prefer drinking porridge to eating porridge or friends who have just had their teeth extracted. Soy foods such as tofu are renowned for their cholesterol-lowering effects. In fact, the evidence is so strong that regulators in the United States and Canada have approved health claims linking soy protein to a lower risk of heart disease. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. I share delicious and simple recipes every day. If you like cooking, don't miss it, yeah. Follow my channel now. And when you need recipe inspiration, just click on my page, as there are thousands of delicious recipes waiting for you, if you are willing. Please also leave me a like too. Thank you all. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.